Hey guys, it's Gabi and welcome back to the vlog. So today is Friday, July 27th. It's a Friday, finally. But I have class tomorrow, but that's alright. So I'm almost ready. I'm wearing this black leotard today. So I have to do my hair, eat, then hop on the bus to get on the train to go to DTH. I'm running a little late because I forgot to set my alarm last night, but I woke up at 7, so I was supposed to wake up at 6:45, but that's not a big difference, so I'm pretty fine right now. But yeah, I'm gonna head downstairs to make my breakfast, do my hair because it's not looking that cute right now. And yeah, and I just transferred some of my videos onto my computer to have more memory on my memory card. Because there's a class in there. The other staircase to the 4th floor, it has like a leak, so we have to go in the back staircase until we're here, and it's hot. The door is right there, and we're waiting. So, how to do your floor technique?
I love that. Actually, today was a good day.
Review time. So we're at lunch now. We just had Point and we had Miss Gomez for Point. Really did similar foundations to the year. And now we're at lunch and I'm having fruit down and fish up. Plantain chips. And what does that even mean? Like, no, what was that? Coconut fusion there. Jordana, what are you having? Jasmine's eating carrots. Mia's eating fruit. Hey guys, so we just finished contemporary. I'm talking a little fast because I have 0 minutes left on my memory card. But contemporary, it's so hard. The dance is really challenging and it's gonna be on point. We did it on flats today because we did a lot of point already. But I can already tell it's gonna be struggle. I'm doing turns to the left on point, passe double into an arabesque, hold into arabesque toss. Pouring. I'm waiting for the bus and I got outside and it's raining. And I'm in shorts and a t-shirt. I am D-R-E-N-C-H-E-D, drenched. Thankfully, my dad finally picked up the phone and met me at the bus stop with an umbrella, because if he didn't, I'd have to run through the rain across a block and down a block. And that wouldn't have been pretty because it's raining, thundering, and lightninging. I'm just wet. I'm wearing tights, so my tights are like soaked. But I'm not as wet as I would be if I didn't have the umbrella. So thank you. Hey guys, so I'm not vlogging on my camera. I don't know if I said before, but my memory card ran out of space, so I'm vlogging on my phone. So I'm gonna show you guys like my skincare routine-ish, because I'm using a new product today. It's from Sephora. This box, it's the bottle that it's in. So I'm using this because my other cleanser ran out, and I have to go probably this weekend. I'm gonna do it. I'm going to buy some new skincare stuff because I ran out and I haven't bought any new skincare in a while. I kind of need to because my face breaking out. It's from stress mostly, but I'm also changing my diet, so hopefully that will help as well. So it says to apply it on a dry face. I'm just gonna wash my hands first though. So it says apply to dry skin and gently massage onto face in circular motion. Oh, it's like an oil. Yeah, it doesn't tug or like pull out your face at all, even though I'm applying it to like my skin without any water, and my hands weren't wet before. This feels really nice. I kind of feel some like dirt, or like, yeah, some dirt coming off already, which is really cool. It did say add water for some milky cleansing effect, so let's try that. Whoa, there we go. Going to rinse. I really like the way my face feels as I was washing it. It like was felt moisturized and smooth, and it didn't feel like dry or rough, because usually when I use cleansers my face feels really dry, but it felt really nice. After I brush my teeth, I'll give you guys like an update on what my skin feels like, because usually by the time I brush my teeth and like my skincare routine, my face feels really dry after using cleansers. So I'll update you guys. So I washed my face and my face doesn't feel dry at all. Maybe because it's a cleansing oil. Maybe I need to start using cleansing oils instead. Maybe that's better for my skin. I'll give you guys an update on what my skin feels like tomorrow. And I'm also gonna put my rose water on my face upstairs, and then my Cetaphil lotion. So I also use this facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water, which is really nice, and my Cetaphil lotion. So I'm gonna put both of those on my face, and then I'm gonna go to bed. So I just put some rose water and lotion on my face, and my face feels really smooth, so I'm really happy with it. I'll update you guys tomorrow on what it feels like. I just undid my hair, and yeah. Hey guys, it's Gabi and welcome back to the vlog. So today is Saturday and I have Saturday classes, so I'm really excited. I have center bar, pedagogy, and rehearsals today. I'm excited to find out what the first two are, and yeah. And my face, like an update on my face, it feels so smooth, and I feel like my bumps may be going away a little bit already, so I'm really happy. So I'm gonna keep trying the cleanser, and I'll update you guys every day. You guys want to see the progress. I'm gonna finish doing my bun downstairs, and I'm gonna go downstairs and make my breakfast too. I have to hurry a little bit because class starts at 10 today, so I really have to be out by 7:45. So I'm making my oatmeal. I did my hair in a bun. The oatmeal is cooking. And then I'm gonna put half a banana in it and some almond milk. I don't use sugar anymore, so because putting banana in this almond milk is good enough. Hey guys, I'm at DTH now. The leotard I'm wearing is this one from Gaynor Girl. It has like a gray, pink, and purple stripe right here, and it's solid black. And right now it's 9:14, so I have a while till class. It starts at 10, so I'm gonna stretch. Hey guys, I'm laying down and sitting in this stretch. It's so nice to so it feels really good. Hey guys, I'm in the train station now. Yeah, I finished dance. We had Kinetic today. It was really cool. It's a garlic. I like the community of more. I mean, basically, like, explain how the work of Ballet and how the best work of money. I'll show you guys some of the notes I took. But I guess certain things and like certain things that help us like improve our technique, which was really cool, and it was really great that we got to write those things down as well. I'm really happy that I had that, and I think we're having it again next Saturday, which is really amazing. And then after that we had 1 hour and 30-minute rehearsal for August 4th. So yeah, and I like had to grab a snack quickly because they didn't really have that long of a break for lunch, so we didn't really have a lunch break, so I grabbed a snack from the vending machine quickly. Then I like a little break in between pedagogy and rehearsal, and then after I got some fruit, my fruit salad that I usually get. Right now I'm in the train station, 145th Street, and I'm going to take the A train. On the weekends the trains are so complicated, they're always doing construction, and trains are always delayed or not working or not running on this line. It's so confusing, but thankfully I think my trains are running, so that's really good. So now I'm just waiting for the A train. But yeah, I'm also going to unbox my Ipsy Glam Bag that I got for you guys, because I was like, why make a separate video when I can put it in the vlog? And then I'm going to use one of the face masks. Oh, I told you guys what a little bit is in it already, but I'm going to use one of the face masks tomorrow. I'll show you guys how that works. It's really hot in the train station though, and I'm sweating. It's always so hot in the summer in the train station.
Working on it out of my savings account, and we reach over 100 million people a month, mostly women.
Hey guys, so as promised, I'm going to show you guys what I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag for July. Yeah, I believe this is the July package. It comes in this like pink bubble bag, and inside is the bag that I get each month. And also, they fit some stuff that they can't fit in the bag in the bag. So, I got 2 face masks, and I'm really excited to use them. This is the Nature Recipe face mask. It's in honey, and it's for nutrition and smooth complexion. It says, the honey is rich with nutrients that revitalize the skin and nourish your skin with nature's gift. So, really excited to use this. The second one is tea tree, and it's for calming and soothing. And it says, tea tree leaf extract helps to relieve redness and irritation and nourish your skin with nature's gift. So I'm excited to use this one too. This bag is super duper cute and holographic, and I love getting these makeup bags every month because I use them for my makeup products and my hair stuff. It's like my bobby pin holder, and it's really cool because they're really nice bags. Then on the inside, they always come with one of these. It's a picture, and it has some writing in the back, and it tells you how to use some of the products and gives you tips, which is really nice. It's telling me about one of the products, and I'll get to it when I get to it in the bag. So the first thing in the bag is this Peak Performance Brow Pencil. This is the package. The company is Pop Beauty, and this is it out of the box. It has a eyebrow brush on one side, and on the other side it has the brow pencil. This is the color. It is in the shade Neutral Brunette, and this looks like a really nice brow pencil. I didn't really draw in my eyebrows though, but I might start. and start using this. The next thing I got is the H2O Beauty Oasis Ultra Hydrating Cream. So this cream is clinically proven to double skin moisture, and it looks really, really good. It talks about it in this note. It says, this lightweight formula is loaded with water lily extract and illuminating pigments to make your skin so glowy. So I'm really excited to try this out. It sounds like it's really good. It is blue. Use it on the back of my hand. Whoa, feels super moisturizing. Feels super cooling too. Like, it doesn't have like a strong smell either. It's like a light tint of a smell. There's my hand after, and it feels really nice. I really want to use it. I think I might try it out for like a week and see what it does, like how my face is reacting to it. Next, I think this is an eyeshadow. It came in this bubble wrap. This is a Flawless Finish Dual Powder. It's in the shade C6 Flawless Tan. I don't know, it might be too light for me, but this is it right here. On the inside, this is what it looks like. Yeah, I think it might be too light for me, especially after my tan, but or maybe not. It actually blends pretty nicely. Put it right here. So this might work. I'm not sure. Sometimes my hands are like lighter than my face. So. And the last thing I got was a Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick. And I know I'm definitely going to use this. And it looks really pretty. This is the color. Yep, this is a really pretty color. So that's everything I got in my glam bag. My favorite products have to be the face mask, this hydrating cream, and the lipstick. But overall, this was a really good glam bag. I would give this an 8.5 or 9 out of 10 because this was actually really good. I love the face mask. Like, I'm really excited for that. I love when they put face masks in the glam bags because I use all of them. I also love the cream. It's gonna be really exciting because it feels so nice on your skin. And the lipstick, I love the color. Chill, roll up my muscles, listen to podcasts. As you guys saw, I've been listening to Girl Boss Radio a lot. I used to listen to that a lot, but then I like got out of it, so now I'm gonna start doing that again. I'm also gonna start meditating again because that really helped me in the morning, like clear my mind. So I'm gonna start that again too.
That's super beautiful, and you can buy it anywhere books are sold. We just announced the Girl Boss Rally, which is an incredibly packed day full of great advice.